Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30SE, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that just scroll to the sounds and vibration section. Here you can set the ringtone volume panel. Now just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, and that's it. Also we can do it by the second way, just by using the volume buttons here on the right side of the device. Just press up or down volume button, and here you'll see just that we can open the full panel here. So just click here to open the panel, and by the same way we can just switch the ringtone volume to the left with our fingers, just to mute our device ringtone by this way. And then just you can also go into the settings if you just need, but you can do it just here only with the swipe of this volume panel here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.